Go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go.
QB1.
Hey, 100%, y'all, come on. Angle right now. Get an edge right now. And then we're coming out and the ball's going to carry us to the sideline. Hey. Go. That's it. Good, Malay. You don't have to get negative now. Hey. We got go. Don't get negative. Don't reach forward. 4 steps. You get what he's saying? Work his leverage. Now, hey, we go sloppy. Miss the snap. Point A to point B fast. Get his hips to turn. Ready, go. Watch it. Perfect. There you go. Good. Good. And if you can take him a little bit more, think about using your speed more than setting him up. Once he declares, we're not running to set him up. That's what you're going for. Once he declares leverage, use your speed, and then you're going to change direction. That's all we're doing. Use your speed to beat him. Get him to turn his hips and go the opposite way. We can cross over here. I got my inside foot. Go. Snap. Make sure we're missing the snap. Come back. Pause and be here. Boom. You're going to turn like this. If I can split two to backstage, I'm going to stay there. Go. You guys are coming out there great. I'm coming back to attack the ball. All right? I want to be strong at the catch point. Make sure I see the ball. Go. Ready, go. Take your hip. That's up. Good. Ready, go. I'm coming back to attack the ball. Got it? Boom. I'm securing it. Backstage. RP.